Les causeurs. Bonsoir les amis, this is Leanne Stanfield and you are watching the video, the Facebook Live that helps you answer question number 6 from the French contest, which is also a challenge. So my challenge is to you is to motivate you to learn, follow these questions, follow these videos, also the questions, and to prove yourself how much you can learn during a month. The contest ends December 21st, and everybody is a winner. So give yourself this little exercise to show yourself how much you can progress if you put just a tiny bit of effort, not even every day. It's like 3 days a week. So this is my challenge to you. Now, every single question is supported by a video, not so much the ones about the culture, because that you can research on your own, but the language is definitely supported by this video. So we will have at least one video to teach you the rules that then you have to apply when you give the example, because I'm asking you to make a sentence, and this is pretty much what you have to, this is it, this is the exercise to help you increase your vocabulary and master gradually the phrase construction. Pronunciation is separate, that has to be done one-on-one, but I'm giving you this little exercise so that you can see how with a little practice and creating a little habit for yourself, you can actually progress in a month much more than you can imagine. So today we're talking about it in French. And so how do we express it in the word it in French? In English is one word, it. In French, we have two words, one for feminine and one for masculine. So it's going to be le for masculine and la for feminine. If you notice in English, for instance, I'm going to give you an example in English. It actually replaces the word that I'm talking about. So it is a pronoun. So I'm going to say, for instance, I put the book on the table. I put it on the table. So it replaces the book. So, je mets le livre sur la table. Je le mets sur la table. Or I put the flower on the table, which is feminine. I put it on the table. Je mets la fleur sur la table. Je la mets sur la table. What is very important to notice and remember is that the word it in French, which is le or la, is positioned before the verb. So, je le mets or je la mets. See, le is before mets the verb and la is before mets the verb. And so, this means that you have to actually play a little bit of mental chess, because you have to think ahead of time. You have to, so you can't say I put and then think about the gender of the word you're replacing. You have to say it put, right? So before I even say I put, you have to think about what is the gender of the word I want to replace, right? Je le mets. Le is before the mais, and so it is a little bit of a mental chess that you have to play. And so that's not difficult, but you just need to know. Now, what is the plural? The plural would be them, and this is the reason, well, I really want to talk about only it in this question, but I'm going to tell you about them too, right? So them is going to be le. So I'm going to exemplify with the same two sentences that I gave you in singular. So I put the books on the table. Je mets les livres sur la table. Je les mets sur la table. Put the flowers. Je mets les fleurs sur la table. Je les mets sur la table. Same thing. We put les in front of the verb, but in this case, les is not gender specific anymore, so you don't have to think about the gender at all. before you say the verb. Just put le. I had something else that I wanted to say to you. Let me see what I wanted to say. Can't remember. Oh, yes, I do. So I gave you these examples. That was for the beginners. Now, for intermediates or more advanced, I don't need to have les livres or le livre. La livre is the pens work as well. But so I don't have to use in the sentence, in the basic sentence from which I start. It doesn't have to be le livre, la fleur, or les livres, les fleurs. It doesn't have to be le la les in front of the noun for me to be able to use le la les as it or them. I hope that you're following me. What I mean to say is that, for instance, I can say, je mets mon livre sur la table, which means my book on the table. Je le mets sur la table. So same thing, even though it's mon livre and it's not le livre, I'm still replacing it. Is going to still be le, je le mets. Yeah, same thing in the feminine. So there are other situations that derive from this. Just wanted to tell you that you're not limited to le la le in the main sentence, the base sentence that you're starting from in order to create your sentence with it. So now, yeah, I'm not gonna give you, I wanted to give you more instructions for the contest, for the question, for the answer. I'm not gonna. So that's it. This is what you need to know for question number 6. Do not forget that only during this contest, I offer 3 amazing things. So the first one thing is, if you would like to talk to me about working together, we're going to have the discussion. And of course, based on the discussion, I will also offer you a free 1 hour on Skype for pronunciation, where we will address all the challenges that we can address in 1 hour. The best, of course, the biggest challenges that you have in pronunciation for free. My second offer that I have, again, only during this contest, is a mini intensive, a 4-hour mini intensive, where again we are addressing the biggest challenges that you have, and I'm creating materials for you, videos, PDFs, whatever it is that you need in order to really master those skills that you need to improve during those 4 hours. And my third offer is the brand new high-level, high-end program that is not available for anybody yet, and it's called Exquis Extensif, from amateur to ace, and it is a 1-year program that includes my intensive program, includes the advanced program, as well as the immersion retreat 1 week in Paris. So it literally takes you from 0 to ace in French in 1 year. So it's a 1-year program, and you get amazing discounts and bonuses only to those who participate to the contest. You need to actually answer at least one question, and you're gonna get the advantage of being offered this fantastic all 3. You can choose whatever it is that works for you right now, and so those are my offers during the contest. Stay on your game and keep going for your dreams to become bilingual, learn to speak Parisian, French, and break your language barrier. Merci beaucoup et à la prochaine. Au revoir.